Sending Bitcoin to a QR code is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. First, you need to have a Bitcoin wallet installed on your device. Whether it is a mobile phone or a computer, there are many Bitcoin wallets available, both online and offline, so choose one that suits your needs. Once you have a Bitcoin wallet, you need to ensure that it is funded with Bitcoin. If your wallet is not funded, you will need to purchase Bitcoin from an exchange or another source. After your wallet is funded, you can proceed to send Bitcoin to a QR code. To send Bitcoin to a QR code, start by opening your Bitcoin wallet and navigating to the Send or Transfer section. Here, you will see an option to scan a QR code. Click on this option and your device's camera will activate, allowing you to scan the QR code. Scan the QR code that you want to send Bitcoin to, and your wallet will automatically populate the recipient's Bitcoin address and the amount of Bitcoin to be sent. Make sure to review the address and amount carefully before confirming the transaction. If the QR code does not specify an amount, you will need to manually enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. Be careful when entering the amount, as Bitcoin transactions are irreversible. After reviewing the transaction details, confirm the transaction and your wallet will broadcast it to the Bitcoin network. The transaction will then be verified by the network and the Bitcoin will be transferred to the recipient's wallet. It is essential to note that Bitcoin transactions are recorded on a public ledger called the blockchain, and they are irreversible. So, make sure to double-check the recipient's address and the amount of Bitcoin before confirming the transaction. In addition to sending Bitcoin to a QR code, you can also use other methods, such as copying and pasting the recipient's address or using a payment protocol. However, using a QR code is often the most convenient and user-friendly way to send Bitcoin. By following these simple steps, you can easily send Bitcoin to a QR code. Remember to always use a reputable Bitcoin wallet and to follow best practices for securing your Bitcoin.